sometimes some businesses doesn't offer the best security. So what we did, right? What do? We partner with insurance companies, right? That are going to be able to insure your tax return and make sure that in the event of any audits or anything that needs to be reviewed, you have someone that you can actually rely on to be there to assist you, right? So with that being said, I definitely recommend, working with our audit team, our audit protection team, so that you can actually receive security that you're looking for in the process of being able to pay your own taxes. And with that being said, let me let you know how to connect with me, right? My name is Rashad Williams on Instagram, New York Tax All Day, and I am the president of TaxGroupPros. This workshop is something that I've created because of the communities that I've been a part of. The communities that I've been a part of have experienced some consistent, right, financial troubles. And with those financial troubles, I see that we need more empowerment and less services. More empowerment and less services. So when you're talking about services, it's a done for you, right? It's done for you, which is not a problem because everyone is not really interested or really, some people understand, but they still don't want to do it, which is fine. But it all should start with empowerment. Before you hire somebody to get something done for you, you need to at least be educated or empowered enough to be able to check behind what is being done on your behalf. Because if you don't know, you don't grow, all right? So with that being said, I appreciate y'all for receiving my presentation today. I am Rashad Williams. You can actually scan right here to connect with me on multiple different platforms, and I appreciate y'all time.